So I bought this Kobalt workbench stool at Lowe's. 15-minute job to put it all together. It's pretty easy, going by the directions, of course. So I ran into a problem. Guess what the problem was? Hardware, absolutely freaking softest crap made on the planet. So a 15-minute job turned into an hour and a half. You see that stripped one right there by my thumb? Unbelievably soft. So you know where this shit's going, right? Right in the fucking trash. So what I did is, thank goodness I had a whole bunch of quarter 20s left over from previous solar panel projects, and put grade 5 and grade 9 freaking bolts to some of these hardened washers all the way around here, all the way around here, and even up here. That was really, really bad how they got this designed here. But this should be good to go now. Put the seat on and see if this freaking works. Yep, there we go. I don't think I'm going to put the backrest on there, but yeah, that mechanism works. Whatever. Well, so if you're ever buying one of these, make sure you have a lot of quarter 20 hardware with nylock nuts. These guys right here with the nylon impregnated nuts. And hardened washers. I still bent them. That's alright. It ain't gonna fucking come off. Progress, right?